We will learn how to solve logarithmic equations. I will use the example I have on the board to explain some concepts. First thing we want to do here is combine or condense these two logs into one. Using the properties of logs, we know that when we are adding, you can combine these two logs into one by multiplying. So we have the log of x times x minus 15 equals 2. Next, I need to get rid of this log by writing this in exponential form. So the base here, you don't see a number. If you don't see a number, the base is understood to be a 10. So I have 10 to the second power will equal this. 10 to the second power is 100. On this side, I'm going to distribute and multiply x times x is x squared. X times negative 15 is negative 15x. This is now a quadratic equation, which I will need to factor. However, I cannot factor until it equals 0. So I need to subtract 100, and I will put it here at the end. So I have x squared minus 15x minus 100 equals 0. I can factor this by looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 100, and the same two numbers must add up to negative 15. That is negative 20 and 5. Negative 20 times 5 is negative 100. Negative 20 plus 5 is negative 15. So I have x minus 20, x plus 5 equals 0. I'm now ready to split them up and solve. So add 20. I'll get x equals 20. Subtract 5 to get x equals negative 5. With logs, you have to make sure that the answer is in the domain. What that means is it has to be a value that you can actually get the log of. So when I plug in 20 here, I can get the log of 20. I can get the log of 20 minus 15. Therefore, I can use that. When I see negative 5, I have to be careful because logs cannot be negative. So when I come here and I put in negative 5, if I was to plug it in right here, I would have the log of negative 5, which is not in the domain, so I cannot use that. Therefore, my answer is x equals 20.